LKID Learner, your personal video tutor.
Hello everyone. Let's discuss another Java program. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the numerical operation work in the Java program. Let's do the simple arithmetic operation. You can add two numbers in the print method. To display the result, we can use the text messages and concatenate the arithmetic operation. To get arithmetic operation result, here you have to add the simple brackets. Without adding brackets, the print method displays these numbers concatenate with text. However, when you are adding numerical operation at the beginning of the message, in the print method, you can get the arithmetic operation, with or without adding parenthetical. Let's create another program. In this program we can create a number variable. For an example, to create age variable, we can initialize int age equals 22. Using this statement we are assigning value 22 to age variable. To display this value 22, we can call age variable anywhere in the program. Java language is that much of simple.